Hello, good evening. Welcome to Siri PathaShale. In the previous class, you have learned pair of linear equations in two variables or simultaneous equations. You have learned about them and how to solve it, and you have learned the substitution method and elimination method also you have learned. Today, let us learn the problems on simultaneous equations by the method elimination method. Okay, we call that method elimination method because we eliminate one of the variable and then continue with the problems. Already ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 3.3 ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ we have done two problems, first and fourth one. So ಈಗ word problem start ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is second main in exercise 3.3. Let us start with the first problem. It is if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? I read out the question once again. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. If we take x and y are the numerator and denominator of a fraction, then 1 should be added to the numerator and we have to subtract 1 from y, that is the denominator. Okay, then a fraction reduces to 1. Fraction in agatte 1 agatte. And then if it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. Okay, what is the fraction? Suppose ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅದೇ fraction ಗೆ ನಾವು half add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Denominator ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then it becomes 1 by 2. Okay, let us solve the problem now. So let us consider x and y be the denominator, numerator and denominator of a fraction. It is problem number exercise 3.3 in your textbook, and second main first one. Let x and y be the numerator and denominator of a fraction respectively. Denominator of a fraction respectively. Okay, so as per the question, if we add 1 to the numerator andre x ge y madbadu. Suppose ಈಗ x and x by y is the fraction, so xy is the fraction, original fraction. X by y is the original fraction. Now if you add 1 to the numerator, so if we write x plus 1, okay, case 1, this is case 1. In case 1 we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so y minus 1. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂತೆ, we will get the value 1. Then a fraction reduces to 1. Iro fraction adu reduces to 1, so it becomes 1 now. Now it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Before getting that equation, let us simplify this and get a single equation. No? X plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. So simplify this. How to simplify? Transpose this to RHS, denominator to the RHS, so multiply. So this implies x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Let us transpose and get it to the standard form. X minus y, I shift y to LHS and plus 1 here. I bring this also to LHS, so it becomes plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0, or another way of getting standard equation is bringing constant to RHS, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1, because in elimination method we write the equation in this form. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. So another second case is it becomes 1 by 2. This x by y becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Okay, we are not doing anything with the numerator now. Numerator ge enu madala, denominator ge we have to add 1. Add to the denominator. So let us write original fraction is x by y. So let us keep numerator as it is, x itself, and here y plus 1 it is. If we add 1 to the denominator, so y plus 1, what it becomes now? It becomes half or 1 by 2. Again simplify this. So transpose means here cross multiplication should be done. So 2x is equal to y plus 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now we have two equations. X minus y is equal to minus 2, first equation, and second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. So now what to do? In elimination method, either we need to subtract or add. See the term now. Here we have minus y in second equation. Here also we have plus y. If one of the y becomes, one of the y changes its sign, y minus y plus y or plus y minus y, then we can eliminate it, isn't it? To change the sign, what should be done? We need to subtract. So change sign madodu now subtraction alli. So what to do now? Let us write them together. So let us subtract equation 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. Anything can be done. Okay. So let me write equation 1 minus equation 2. So let us write in column wise. So equation 1 is x minus y is equal to minus 2, and second equation 2x minus y is equal to plus 1. So what to do now? Change the sign. So change the sign. Let me take plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus y becomes plus y, and this plus 1 becomes minus 1. So plus y minus y gets cancelled. So plus 1x minus 2x. What do we get? Minus 1x or minus x? Minus x is equal to, here minus 2 plus minus 1. What do we get? Minus 3. Both are same sign, so should be added and put the same sign. So minus x is equal to minus 3. So what is x? X is equal to plus 3. We got the value of x. After getting the value of x, what should be done? As usual, substitute this value in one of the equation, any one. So let us take first one. This is simple equation. So put x by 3. Now put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. In equation 1, we get 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So transpose minus y is equal to minus 2. When I bring 3 to RHS, it becomes minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 5. Therefore, plus y is equal to plus 5. Y is equal to 5. So, substitution, here values after substituting, we got y is equal to 5. So, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. The solution is 3, 5, a paired number. So, let us verify our answer. How can we verify? Check the first one. X plus 1. What's the fraction is 3 by 5. Original fraction is 3 by 5. Now 3 plus 1, we get the first one 4 by 5 minus 1. What do we get? 4. 4 by 4, 1. So we get 1 correct. In the second case, x value is how much? 3. Y plus 1, that 5 plus 1 how much? 6. 3 by 6. What do we get? It is 1 by 2. So our answer is correct. Right now. Therefore, what is the question asked here? In this question, what is the fraction? Okay, so solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. The required fraction is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is the answer. The fraction is 3 by 5. Yes. Copy the answers. Let us continue with another problem. So, another problem is on age, based on age problem here. So you have done this type of problem in substitution method. And 5 years ago, 5 years after anta Jacob's age anta one problem kaltkonidri neevu. Equation formation is by the same method. ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು equation frame ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 years ago ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes, Nuri was thrice old as old as Sonu it is. Okay, so Nuri ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋನು ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವ್ರ ಏಜ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ನೂರೀಸ್ ಏಜ್ನ ವೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಸೋನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಿಗ ಸೋನು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೋನು. ಓಕೆ, ನೂರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು 3 times ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಂದ? ಸೋನುವಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ 5 years ago. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಸೋನುಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ and Nuri's age as y, then 5 years ago Sonu's age will be ago andre hinde, Sonu's age will be x minus 5 and the Nuri's age will be it is y minus 5. Okay, then 10 years later, after 10 years, okay, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay, so here 10 years later andre x plus 10 whose age? Sonu's age, and y plus 10 Nuri's age. Okay, so 10 plus 10 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೋನು. ನೂರಿ ಈಗ ಸೋನುಗಿಂತ 2 times ದೊಡ್ಡವಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನೂರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ get the equation. Okay, then you can go for next question. So find if you take x Nuri's age, which whose age? ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳರಿಗ ಸೋನು's age ನ x years ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ Nuri's age y years ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 5 years ago, that is Sonu's age will be 5 years ago. Noori's Sonu's age is x minus 5 years and Noori's age is this is Sonu's age 5 years ago. Sonu's age x minus 5 and Noori's age is y minus 5. Okay. But what is the condition? Condition here is Noori was thrice old as Sonu. So Noori's age, what is this? Y minus 5. This is equal to how many times? Thrice means 3 times of x minus 5. Simplify this, you will get an equation. Then another condition, 10 years later. Okay, 10 years later, and after 10 years later, Sonu's age will be 10 years later, Sonu's age is x plus 10 and Noori's age y plus 10. But what is the condition here? It is Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So y plus 10 is equal to twice and then 2 times x plus 10. Okay. Simplify this, you will get an equation and solve it. Now let us go with third problem on this. Very important. All actually age problems irutte, digits problems irutte, problems alla very important. We will get it for 4 marks. 4 marks question ge inta questions word problems barutte. So here third one, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Okay, find the number. I will explain this with the help of an example. That is third problem in exercise. Second main, third problem. I will explain this with an example. Let us take 23. It's a 2-digit number. Which are the digits? 2 and 3 are the digits of this number. What is the first condition? Sum of the digits of a number is 9. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 3 ಈ problem ಗೆ if I take this number 23 ನಾವು 2-digit number ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 plus 3 how much here? 5. So similar problem. Okay, I take number 9 only. Yes, suppose if I take 45. 45 is a 2-digit number. Okay, 4 plus 9 and 5 is to 9. So this is first condition. So similar here we will be having x and y are the digits. Okay, x ಮತ್ತೆ y ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು digit ಅಂತ ತಗೊಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus y is equal to 9. This is first condition. Now second condition. This is little confusing, isn't it? ಈಗ 45 ನಾನೀಗ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 45 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ 40 plus 5. 40 can be written as here 4 is in your tens place and 5 is in units place. Correct? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40 that is 4 since it is in tens place its place value 40. 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ its place value 5. So 40 plus 5. We can split this as 4 into 10. Correct now? 4 into 10 or 10 into 4. So 10 is the place, tens place into 4 is the digit in the tens place. So plus 5 into 1 or nothing but 5 only. 1 into 5 or 5. Okay, so we can write this as 10 into 4 plus 5. Okay, now let us take the same. What is x? 4th place x is there. So it is 10 into x, 10x plus y place we have 5. So it is 5 place y. So 10x plus y. This is the form of writing an equation 10x plus y. This is the number, 2-digit number written in this form. Okay, next second case if you reverse the digits. ಈಗ 45 ನಾನು 54 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, okay, if I reverse the digit it becomes 54. ಈ 54 ನ ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so that means using the place values, okay, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವೀಗ? So 54 can be written as, yes, so here this is, now this became y came here, x comes here, okay, so yx, when I reverse the digits, yx, if xy becomes now yx, y and x are nothing but digits, okay, just digits or numerals, okay, so yx, so in tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So how can you write now? 10y plus units place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is by the number obtained by reversing the digits. Using this knowledge, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, now what is the question? Let us read once again. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay, so first let us write which are the digits. Let x and y be the digits of a 2-digit number. 2 digits of a number. If 2 are x and y 2 are there, so it is understood 2-digit number only. Digits of a number. So according to the statement, first statement, sum of these 2 digits. So what is the number? Therefore, so xy is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Given that sum of the digits is equal to 9. Now, given that x plus y digits is equal to 9. This is simple equation we got, first equation. Now it is 9 times, okay, also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Okay, now the number can be written as, yes, first let us take the first number now. Okay, the number can be written as, it is first 10x plus y, okay, 10x plus y. By reversing the digit, what do we get? By reversing the digit, we get, by reversing the digits, we get 10y plus x, okay, 10y plus x. I explained how it was. Okay, now what to do? Apply the conditions. It is 9 times the first number, 10x plus 9 of 10x plus y is equal to what? It is how many times? It is twice. Okay, twice the number which is obtained by reversing. Okay, so 9 times the first number is 10x plus y is equal to 2 times the number obtained by reversing the digits is 10y plus x. Solve it now. We will get an equation in standard form. So 9 into 10, 90x plus 9y is equal to 2 tens are 20y plus 2x. Simplify. Bring these terms to LHS. 90x minus 2x if I transpose plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. Okay, so 90x minus 2x, what do we get? 88x plus, here plus 9 minus 20. What do we get? Minus 11. Okay, 20 minus 9 is 11. 20 is greater number, it has minus sign. So this is minus 11y is equal to 0. This is second equation. second equation. So first equation, x plus y is equal to 9. Second equation, 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. Okay, how can we eliminate now? Either x must have same equal coefficient or y must have equal coefficient, which is easy. Here we have minus 11. Coefficient of y is minus 11. If we get plus 11 as the coefficient of y in the first equation, we can add the equations and eliminate y, isn't it? So what to do? Multiply equation 1 by 11. Okay, throughout the equation by 11. Okay, so equation 1 into 11 I get 11x plus 11y. 11y is equal to 11 nines are how much? 99. Now let us consider this as equation 3. Okay, now add equation 2 and 3. Okay, by adding equation 2 and 2, that is equation 2 plus equation 3. Equation 3, we get 11x plus 11y is equal to 99. Here second equation, 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. Do we need to change the sign? No, because we are adding. Okay, plus 11y minus 11y gets cancelled. Here add them. 88 plus 1 is 89. Plus 10, 99. 99x is equal to 99. What is the value of x? X is equal to 99 by 99 is equal to 1. I'll erase this side. So 99x is equal to 99. Therefore, x is equal to 99 divided by 99 is 1. Then what is the value of y? Substitute this x is equal to 1 value in which equation is better? You take equation 1. It is easy. Okay. By put x is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get this x plus y is equal to 9. So it is 1 plus y is equal to 9. So what do we get now? Y value 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So what is the number? Number is 2-digit number is 1 and 8, that is 1 8. Okay, so what is the number? Number is 1 8, that is 18. So the required number is 18, x value 1 and y value 8. Then let us verify our answer. So what is the condition? Condition is 9 times this number. Okay, first thing, yes, 1 plus 8 is 9, yes, correct. Second condition, 9 times first number, 9 times 18, how much? 18 nines are. 18 nines are how much? 162. Okay, so 9 times 18, how much? It is 162. Okay, then that is twice of the number obtained by reversing. If you reverse 18, what do we get? 81. Twice of 81, 2 times 81, how much we get? 162. So our answer is right. Okay, so this is the way to verify your answer. Next problem is fourth one. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. This problem. Just copy this. I'll give you 2 minutes break. Next one is fourth problem in second main. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Okay. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So this is question number 4 in second main. Question number 4 in second main. Okay. So, yes, Meera went to a bank. Okay, she wants to withdraw 2000 rupees. Okay, 2000 rupees ತಗೊಂತಾಳೆ. But ಆ 2000 rupees collect ಮಾಡೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ she need 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. Okay, ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು ಅವಳಿಗೆ. So, 50 rupees 100 notes ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? She got 25 notes. Okay, 25 notes ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ she got 2000 rupees. Then okay, you have to find how many 50 rupees notes, ಎಷ್ಟು 50 rupees notes ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 100 rupees notes ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, you also do many times like this, isn't it? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಂಗೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, 100 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 10 rupees ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಮೀರಾ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ 50 rupees 100 rupees ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 2000 rupees. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಡ್ರಾ 2000 rupees. So our task is to find how many 50 rupees currencies she got and how many 100 rupees currencies she got. Okay, let us do now. Let us write let number of 50 rupees notes as X, number of 50 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes currencies as X and number of 100 rupees notes, rupees 100 notes be Y. Now is how many notes she got altogether? 50 rupees notes ಮತ್ತೆ 100 rupees notes ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ? She got 25 notes. Okay. Sum of the notes or number of notes she got. How much? 25. Given that number of notes in all. Number of notes in all means together. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ notes in all. How much it is? 25. That is nothing but x plus y is equal to 25. This is equation 1. Now conditions are given to find second equation. Okay, sum how much amount she got? 2000 rupees. Okay, so 50 rupees notes, X number of 50 rupees notes. So what do you write now? X into 50, 50x. Okay, total amount is 2000 rupees. Total amount withdrawn is rupees 2000. So we can write 50 rupees. Okay, X number of 50 rupees notes together, 50x plus Y number of 100 rupees notes. That is 100 into Y is equal to how much? Total is 2000 rupees. Okay, 2000 rupees. Now we got two equations. We can reduce this equation. Here itself isn't it? Big number ತಗೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅದು reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ solving easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 50, 100, 2000. All these are multiples of 50, isn't it? Okay. So if we divide the equation throughout by 50, what do we get? Okay, dividing by 50. Dividing means both LHS and RHS. 50. We get 50 by 50 x. 50 how many are 100? 52s are 100 y. Okay, so 2y plus 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 52000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 2000 by 50 50 4 times 200 10. So it is 40. If you get out, you can divide and find 2000 by 50. Okay, 5 ones are 5 40s are. Okay, so 40 it is. So this is equation 2. Now it is easy to solve in elimination method. Which can be eliminated easily in this problem? X can be eliminated easily because coefficient of x is 1 here. Here also coefficient of x is 1. So x can be eliminated. By which action should be done? Which fundamental operation? Here plus 6, here also plus 6. So sign of one term has to be changed. So what should be done? Subtraction should be done. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಈ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್. Okay, so let us subtract now. That is equation 1 and equation 1 minus equation 2. Now let us take equation 1 minus equation 2. That is x plus y is equal to 25. First equation. Here x plus 2y is equal to 40. So while subtracting, what should be done? Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Okay, because all these are plus sign, so they become minus. So plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled. Plus 1y minus 2y. What do we get? Minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. A greater number is 2. It has minus sign. Now consider the new sign, not the older one. Okay. So minus y is equal to here 40 minus 25. How much we get? 15. Okay. Which 15? Plus or minus? 40 is greater number. So it is minus 15. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 15. So plus y is equal to plus 15. Okay, y is equal to 15. What is the next step? Substitute y value in any of the equation. Let us consider first equation only. That is the easier one. Put y is equal to 15 in equation 1. In equation 1 we get x plus y, that is x plus 15 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 minus 15, what do we get? 10. Okay, x is equal to 10. So x value 10, y value 15. We got the solution. Okay, so what does it mean? X value 10 means here we got 10 50 rupees notes. Eshtaito 50 into 10 500 rupees. Then 15 how much here? 100 rupees notes. Okay, 1500 rupees and 1500 or 1500. So 1500 plus 500 how much? We got 2000 rupees. So our answer is correct. Okay. So write the conclusion now. Therefore, what is the question asked here? Now find how many notes of 50 and 100 rupees received. Yes, right. Number of rupees 50 notes, it is 10 rupee. Number of rupees 50 notes is equal to how many notes we got? X value 10. Then number of 100 rupees notes, rupees 100 notes is how many? 50. So we got the correct solution. Okay, copy the answers. Easy, no? Now, fourth problem. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. You have done one similar type of problem, that is taxi problem, in the previous exercise, isn't it? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ fixed charge ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ per kilometer charge rise ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. How much ಅಂತ you got the answer. So same type of problem. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ fixed charge ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Fixed charge ನೀವು x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, then y is per day. ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is y value. So get the equations. Okay, so for how much Sarita paid 27. Okay, so 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. So fixed charge alde andre x rupees alde, that is x rupees plus additional charge how much she has to pay, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು for 7 days. So ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ y ರೂಪಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 days ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7y. Okay, so x plus 7y ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is 27 rupees. She paid 27 rupees. And another girl, that is Susie, that other girl she paid 21 rupees and she kept the book for 5 days. So x rupees fixed charge plus she kept book for how many days? 5 days. One day ಎಷ್ಟು per day y rupee. So 5 days ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 5y. So x plus 5y, how much she has paid? 21 rupees. So first equation is x plus 7y is equal to 27. Second equation is x plus 5y is equal to 21. So solve both the equations, you will get the answer. So if you want to refer, okay, please go through the video on simultaneous equations. I have sent the video and it has been live also. Okay, live stream allu hogide same class, same chapters, previous exercise. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now let us go for another method, new method. Okay, so we are going with the algebraic methods to solve linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now let us go for another method. Two methods you have learnt in algebraic methods. First one is substitution method. Second one you have learnt elimination method just now. Okay. Now let us go for third method, that is called cross multiplication method. This is one of the easiest method actually. Okay, So this method, third method is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. This is third method to solve simultaneous equations. So let us see now. Let me explain with an example. Okay, first let me explain with the general terms only. So you know the standard form or general form of the simultaneous equations or pair of linear equations in two variables. Which are they? First equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. First equation. And second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are two equations. What are the conditions to be satisfied? a1, b1, a2, b2. They should not be equal to 0. Okay, if they are 0, we won't get simultaneous equations. Or we don't get the equations in two variables. If any one of the coefficient is 0. Okay. Now, if these two are the pair of equations, how to use this cross multiplication method or how to find the values of x and y? First thing, you have to write the coefficients separately like this. b1, b2. Okay. Here, write them in this pattern. Let us follow pattern now. b1, b2, one below the other. First column and the last column. We should write b1, b2, b1, b2. In between, let us write c1, c2, second column, third column, a1, a2. Okay, this is the way of writing a linear, writing in cross multiplication method. First, we need to do this. Okay, so in the first column you write b1 by b1, b2, and the last column also b1, b2, and here c1 by c1, c2, and a1, a2. Okay, now here in between b1, c1, b2, c2, we write x. And in between c1, a1, c2, a2, let us write y. And in between these two sets, we write 1. Okay. And now, yes, let us cross multiply. Okay, multiply. Now, let us put the arrows like this now. Always go from left to right. Okay, so bottom to top to bottom like this. Here, bottom to top. Arrows should be like this only. Okay, and here again c1 to a2, c2 to a1. Here again a1 to b2 and a2 to b1. But in all these three, we must go from left to right. Okay, b1 c2, b2 c1. Cross multiplication. We get cross mark or into mark. Okay, our arrow should be towards right always. Okay, c1 a2, c2 a1, then a1 b2, a2 b1. Okay, now let us frame the equation using this now. So let us write. First variable is x. So let us write this as x by multiply b1 c2 minus c1 b2 or b2 c1. b2 c1 is equal to second one, which is the variable y. Okay, so y by c1 a2, that is c1 a2 multiplied minus c2 a1. Okay, c2 a1. And the third one is 1 we have. So 1 by a1 b2 is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. a2 b1. So this is the equation. Using this, we are going to solve the problems. Okay. If you take any one of the pair, okay, depending on the problem, okay, then you can solve the problems. You will get the equations with the coefficients. Here we have coefficients are b1, b2, c1, c2, here a1, a2, and all these are product of the coefficients only, isn't it? If you solve this equation, you can frame the equations using this. You can solve the linear equations in two variables. How to solve this, what to do, everything I'll explain in the next class. So this is today's session. So let us meet in the next class. Join and ask your friends also to join the class. Subscribe the channel and enjoy mathematics. Thank you. Bye bye.